Regret that Temu purchase? Don't worry, canceling is easier than you think. Let's walk through how to cancel your Temu order, step by step, directly from your phone. First, open the Temu app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the account you used to place the order. Next, tap on the U tab, located in the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your account dashboard. Now, look for the Your Orders option and tap on it. This will display a list of all your recent Temu purchases. Find the order you want to cancel. If the order is eligible for cancellation, you'll see a cancel button. Tap on that button. Keep in mind, this button disappears once the order is being processed or shipped. You'll then be prompted to select a reason for canceling. Choose the option that best describes your reason from the list provided. After selecting your reason, you may see a confirmation screen. Carefully review the details and then tap on the Confirm button to finalize the cancellation. Once successfully canceled, the order status will change to canceled. You'll typically receive a confirmation email as well. If you don't see a cancel button, it likely means the order is already being processed. In that case, your only option is to wait for the order to arrive and then initiate a return. You can also try contacting Temu customer support through the help center for assistance. Expect your refund to be processed back to your original payment method within 714 business days. The exact timeline can vary depending on your bank or payment provider. To avoid cancellations in the future, double-check your order details, sizes, and quantities before confirming your purchase. Happy shopping on Temu!